Yes, I welcome you all to the S2R show, and my name is Suman Singh Rawat. Sorry, so I'm making a video after a long time, but I'll uh, be regular now. So, okay, I'll be sharing the November and December profit, and I'll be discussing about how much profit is good and how much profit is appropriate. So, we will talk about it, and let's start. So, as you all know, that I primarily trade in FNOs and majorly in option selling. So let's go to console. So you can see my total portfolio value is around 8,12,000, out of which around 60-70,000 is in mutual fund and equity holding. Rest is the amount which I am using. So this will be our investment amount. So I'll go to reports, profit and loss. First, let's see in equity what we have made in November and December. So November 1 to December 31st. Okay. So this is around 25,000. Okay. This is around 25,000. Okay. And let's go to FNOs. Click on go, and it is around. Realized is 71,000. Net is 63,000. 63,000 is net in FNO. Okay. And what else? There is some profit in position also, 14,000. So we can count this as well. First from the last month's position, so 14,000 this. So if we add all these, it comes out to be around 1,02,000 rupees. So 1,02,000 rupees in 2 months. So we'll divide it by this, divided by 2 will be our 1 month's profit. 51,000. What is the investment amount? Investment amount is around 7,50,000. Now we can calculate this divided by this will be our per month. So we can, because of this commas. Okay, this is the return round. It is exactly, it is around this, yeah, close to 7%. So 7% is the monthly return. Okay, and if you analyze this return, it is 84,000. So as per me, 7% monthly return is a very good return. See, why do people make losses in share market? Because their expectation is unreal. Sometimes they expect to make 20%, 30% per month. So that is one of the biggest mistakes, especially people who are newcomers, who have come in the market first time. They think the share market is for making quick money. So it's not a quick money scheme. So 7% to 10%, or in fact I would say 5 to 10%, between 5 to 10% is a very good return from share market. And what else? So people, see, my suggestion for you is that whenever you come into the market first time, if you are a beginner, your intention or your objective should be to be profitable or to make least losses. So this should be your first step. So when you enter in the share market, your journey should start from making few losses, or somewhere, if you are, in fact, if you are profitable by 1 rupee, 10 rupee, 100 rupees, that will be your biggest achievement as a beginner. Yes, really, it will be your biggest achievement if you are profitable, even if you are profitable by a very small amount. So this should be your first step. Second step is to be consistent. That is all. So I'll be coming up with a video as promised that will give you return for your lifetime. Yes, I am coming up with a video. It is a very interesting and profitable trading strategy. So stay tuned and stay connected. Thank you very much for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.